met somebody who just seems to navigate stress really well? There's somebody who has that ability to keep their composure, calm under whatever storm that's going on. What is it that they actually have? More than likely, they have a high level of emotional intelligence. And what we're talking about here in Foundations of EI, number one is the first pillar, self-awareness. Do I understand my strengths, my weaknesses, my triggers, and my values? And once I do understand my triggers, how do I manage them? Which comes under self-management. Next, we look at social awareness, and that's really understanding the emotions of others, having empathy, and suspending judgment until we know more. Lastly, we look at relationship management, and it's really understanding the depths of different chemistries that we have with others. Can I deal with conflict? Can I work under stress? How's my decision making, my communication? We invite you to learn more about this training by visiting our website.